This video is for beginners. If you want to learn how to handstand, you always have to start from the basic. Okay, we're gonna do the frog stand. First, get yourself a cushion. Warm up your elbows, your wrists. I'm so sorry. Warm up your wrists. Put them down flat. Put them flat and lean forward a bit. Put them back like this. Lean back. Okay. Again. Back until you feel a warm up. Get yourself a cushion. Put in front of you so you don't face plant, just for safety. First we're gonna squat. Put your arms down. Put your knees at the back of your elbows and lean forward slightly till your heels off the ground. And then leave your face plant. Doesn't matter. Because that's what that feel for. So always get yourself a cushion just to be on the safe side. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look after yourself. One love.